Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add TikTok to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just head over in here on the apps. And under the apps right here, click on this all recommended apps. Now from there, just scroll down, click on Shopify App Store. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this right here. So if you can see this TikTok, then just head over and click on that. But if you can see TikTok right here, you can actually just click on the search bar and search for TikTok right here. Now, once you have done this, you should be able to see the actual TikTok that we have, which is this one. So let's look on this. And then as you can see, this is actually free to install. So click on install right here. And then once you have click on that, it will open a window right here wherein it will ask for access in order to successfully integrate this to your website. So in here, just head over and click on the install button. And then once you have clicked on the install button, it will install itself. So let's just wait for a bit. So as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like. You can add a feature for TikTok marketing. You can set it up right here. So click on setup right here. And then in here, you just need to connect your TikTok for business. But once you have connected it, you should be able to use it successfully on your particular website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.